Hello everyone, welcome to Balaji tutorial. Today we are going to discuss left part of globe, latitude and longitude. In my previous video we have discussed about globe and latitude. Today we are going to cover important latitudes and heat zones of the earth. If you have not seen my previous video, then link is given in the description. You can go through that. See, before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you these two terms, latitude and longitude. These two terms first invented by Greek geographers Eratosthenes. He was the first one who found out that these two terms, these two lines can be used to locate any place on the earth's surface. First, we will talk about important parallels of latitude on the earth's surface. First and most important latitude, as I told you in my previous video, that 0 degree. On the basis of the 0 degree latitude or equator, other sets of imaginary lines. Okay, so first is equator. Second important parallels of latitude is 23.5 degree north latitude, which is also known as Tropic of Cancer. Then comes 23.5 degree south latitude, which is also known as Tropic of Capricorn. Then Arctic Circle, which is also known as 66.5 degree north latitude. Antarctic Circle, which is also known as 66.5 degree south latitude. Then 90 degree north latitude or North Pole, and 90 degree south latitude or South Pole. So these are the 7 important parallels of latitudes are found on the Earth's surface. On the basis of these 7 latitudes, the Earth is divided into 3 heat zones. Because of the spherical shape of the earth, the distribution of the solar heat or sun energy, you can see it is not equally distributed over the earth's surface. It happens because of the spherical shape of the earth. Some portion of the earth receives high amount of solar heat or sun energy, or some portion receives very less amount of solar heat. Some portion receive very less amount of solar heat.
With the help of this picture, you can see when the torch light falling on straight surface is bright and covers smaller area. But when the same torch light falling on slanted surface is less bright but covers bigger area.
Same phenomena apply on the earth's surface. Because of the spherical shape, some portion of the earth receives direct sun rays, some portion receives slanting sun rays, and some portion receives very slanting sun rays. So because of this, the earth is divided into 3 heat zones. First is torrid zone, then temperate zone and frigid zone. Torrid zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Equator is center of the torrid zone. Torrid means hot. Torrid zone is the hottest zone of the earth's surface. Why it is hottest zone? Because these areas of the earth's surface receives vertical rays of the sun throughout the year. Twice in a year, every portion of this torrid zone between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn experience vertical sun rays. Okay, this is the reason why this area is considered as the torrid zone, because of the extreme amount of, or you can say ample amount of solar energy received by this area. Then come temperate zone. Temperate zone can be divided into 2 parts. North temperate zone and south temperate zone. North temperate zone, this zone, see first this one is torrid zone between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Then this is the north temperate zone and south. Temperate zone can be divided into 2 parts. North temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in northern hemisphere, and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in southern hemisphere. after beyond Tropic of Cancer in northern hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn in southern hemisphere, sun rays you can see here slanting होना शुरू हो जाता है. Till Tropic of Cancer, this area receives vertical sun rays, but beyond Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, sun rays slowly and gradually become slanting. और जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर जाते हैं नियर द पोल्स, ये और ज़्यादा स्लैंटिंग होता चला जाता है. एंड द रिजल्ट, इसे जितना ज़्यादा एरिया कवर करना पड़ता है, ट्रेवल करना पड़ता है, इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द हीट उतनी कम होती जाती है. दिस इज द रीजन दिस जोन लाइक टेम्परेट जोन इज लेस हॉटर देन टॉरिड जोन but more hotter than frigid zone. This is the reason this zone is known as temperate zone, which means neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, next come frigid zone. Frigid zone again can be divided into two parts. First is north frigid zone and south frigid zone. North frigid zone lies between 66.5 degree north latitude and North Pole, and South frigid zone lies between 66.5 degrees south and South Pole. These are two frigid zones found on the Earth's surface near the pole. Because of the spherical shape, again the intensity of the heat received by this area is very less because of the slanting rays of the sun. This area receives less amount of solar heat or sun energy. This is the reason these two zones are the coldest zone of the Earth's surface. This is why these two zones are known as frigid zone. So these are three important zones are found on the Earth's surface. I hope important latitudes and heat zones, both the concept are clear to you. अगर नहीं clear होता है, any problem, any query, you can ask me through comment section. I will try to solve your problem. Now I am going to give you some important question from NCERT.